What's up, guys? Big Collab 34 coming at you today from Car Takeover. What city are we in?
North Carolina.
Charlotte. And we're about to head over to the night meet. We actually got down here early. We usually don't get down till late, so we can normally cover the event. As you can see, I got my beautiful sun hat here, but it's raining, so I just figured I'd toss it on and make it a rain hat instead of a sun hat.
Look at this jabroni with a sun hat on.
She thinks my tractor's sexy.
If you want a drink, go around all the different vendors, check it out. $5, you get
We're peer pressuring him into dabbing his way on the dyno. Yeah. I should be dumber.
I should shameless plug.
Shameless plug.
Hi, PSI TV, come check me out.
I'm gonna put it right here. This is the part where I go.
Oh, you didn't do it for me last time either. Ah, he owes me.
I'm gonna put it right here and then forget. So it's gonna look dumb. We peer pressured John Doc into running his car, and tonight's gonna be all about seeing how many other things we can peer pressure him into.
Oh God dang! I heard there's a gay strip club in Charlotte. That's getting edited. That's getting edited out of the video.
It really is.
You can't put that. My mom watches YouTube, so you gotta cut that. Yeah, Big Clyde going to get in the Hobbit spec.
This is not gonna work. I gotta pull my pants up.
The Hobbit. This is spec'd out for a 4'10" guy.
I am 4'10".
Oh God, man. I made it. He ain't coming out of there. He ain't coming out. That's impressive.
It's mine now.
No, you can't get the other leg around. It's done.
Oh, come on. Oh, the hard part.
Get it in. Yeah,
This really is for a 4'11" guy.
oh, he's done if he starts stamping up there.
Hold on.
He's done. Oh, he's in?
Hey. Maybe you're taller than you think, John. All right, buddy.
All right, guys. See you.
Hey, we'll see you later.
Later.
You can cut it out and don't get scared of all that power.
It really is.
What's the strategy? Ass first? Oh God. Shit.
I'm going ass first.
Oh, the door's coming off. Fall off. Oh God, that's not, it's over. Made it. There it is. Oh yeah.
Barely. So I guess that we're gonna go get food now.
I'm starving.
He's starving and we're going to this place. Twin Kayaks.
I'm starving, sweaty.
I'm starving and not so, oh, I can feel the air from here. So we're going back to the huddle. There's a pool. Not sure if we're gonna go in the pool.
I'm going
Probably
skinny
not. He's going skinny dipping by
I want to call it
himself.
skinny dipping, more like, you know, whatever you want to call it for me. Husky dipping. You get the idea though.
Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys the Street Car Takeover night meet out here in Charlotte, show you a little bit of what's out here. There's some awesome cars. Even though it was raining, I never really been to a meet that was that big while it was raining. It's bigger than most meets that, you're literally 3 years old.
It's not the biggest meter. Oh man.
It's like they kill it every time. So if it's in your town, check it out. Anyways, upcoming this week, all of those cars that were at that meet, you're gonna see features on them. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Like up this video, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in upcoming videos. Yeet.
You like big meats?
This is gonna be the outro of the video. Just us awkwardly walking where the, you know, the stuff, the clicking stuff goes.
Yeah.
Like,
The clickety clackety.
clickety clack. All right.
What?
Nothing.
You still fucking film.
A lot of